What's up, everybody, and welcome to Dad Got Park's Valentine's Day edition. We are on the boat to get to Magic Kingdom, and we're looking forward to a good day. It might rain on us, so I don't know how long this is going to last. Stay tuned.
Songs, and you have to guess which attraction they're from.
I'm going to be really good at this.
Again, not for you, it's for them.
Okay.
Let's start with an easy one, you know, guess. It's a world.
That's a small one. Can I nail it?
John, it's for the guess, not you. Although there are members for
Yeah, I still nailed it.
there's so much that we share that it's time we're aware it's a small world after all. 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 It's a small, small world. And the cryptoids creak and the tombstones scrape. Spooks come outdoors swinging awake. Happy haunts materialize and begin to vocalize. When grinning gulls come out to socialize. There was blood on the saddle and blood on the ground.
First time back in Magic Kingdom in almost a year. We got the Dapper Dans singing, and we're going to get our picture with the castle. So far, so good. We walked in, we got the Dapper Dans, we got Tink, we got the castle. It's a great day. So I am en route to go try and get one of the cake Valentine drops because we think they might run out by noon because the line is crazy. So I'm gonna try and get in line and get one. I hope I get one. Man, I missed the goofy cavalcade because I'm waiting in line at Starbucks. Oh well, they do them a lot. Hopefully I'll catch it next time.
Why can't you give Elsa a balloon? Because she'll let it go. Waka waka.
I got cake drops, but there was a Mickey Mouse cavalcade. I had to run over and get it. Now we're gonna try our cake drops. We got our cake drop. So we're gonna let the kiddo give it the first try.
Wow.
Get a good piece. Oh, you didn't even get any. Here, get a good chunk. Hold on. There you go. What do you think? This is a lot of thinking for a piece of cake. All right, I'm gonna go in because you're taking way too long.
Good.
That is really good.
You must fully cover your nose and mouth, and we want it all done.
It's got a sweet, the icing's got like a sweet flavor to it.
Yes, do not
I
think it's
like
really
the
good.
sprinkles.
And then it's got the sprinkly thing. I didn't even guys show you guys. Hold on.
cover your mouth and nose when coughing and sneezing.
So there it is. It is a Valentine's cake drop.
It was shaped like a heart.
It was shaped like a heart. All right, we're gonna kill this, and then we're gonna go find a ride to go on. We are gonna go head into Adventureland and maybe ride Dad's favorite ride. I'm gonna drag my buddy Drew on it. Oh, Drew's here. Ellie, you like that one with the glitter? Show it to Daddy. Ooh, nice. My idiot friend Drew thinks that these remind him of Dole Whip because it has a tiny yellow spot on it.
Yellow.
And I'm so much of an idiot, I turned the camera to us, realizing we weren't facing the camera.
Oh, that's funny. But
Nothing
it
but
does.
professional.
It's Dole Whip. It's yellow, and yellow equals Dole Whip.
No, I don't agree.
I
We're
think
gonna have to split it on this one.
I think I just want a Dole Whip.
Yeah, I think you just. We're getting a Dole Whip. What? They have the fan that we bought, but it's a Haunted Mansion version. Look at this. Oh my lord. The wife is buying that. Don't care about outlets, don't care about anything. She's buying that full price. She wants it. Kiddo and the wife just informed me they've never been on the Swiss Family Treehouse. Not really on or in. This is really cool. Going up there. Did get mad at me with my homeowners association. So you can see Space Mountain. See a little Tron.
On that I'm calling, Jamie. I think I want this. I do like a hammock.
Their first anniversary.
What? Oh, it's lit on the first anniversary.
This is awesome, man. I haven't been in here in a while, but this house, you have so many cool views. You get a view of Space Mountain, view of Splash, view of the castle. It's just beautiful in here. And that kitchen looks a little unused.
Really, Jill? That'd be.
Okay, we've been told 7 times now that it's slippery.
It's slippery. Is it slippery down there? Has some bricks.
The dining room was completed with running water and volcanic stone hearth oven.
Hey, Prince Ryan, welcome in.
Drew, you think you could bake in here?
He's gonna vlog now.
What are we doing? We're vlogging.
We're vlogging.
Drew's live streaming, we're vlogging.
I'm live streaming.
We are gonna get the I Lava You. It's probably not called that, but I saw
No,
lava.
no, it is. It is.
The I Lava You.
Yeah.
Dole Whip. It's
Yep.
like Dole Whip and strawberry, and it's really hot today,
Yeah.
believe it or not.
Hot.
And I could use something cool because it's hot. Jabba the Hutt.
Whoa!
wanna say
Hut.
Hut, hut, hut.
Hut.
I got the Lava You Sunday, and now I've lost my wife. I gotta go find her somewhere. All right, we got a Dole Whip Sunday. Our float.
I want to try. I want to try first.
I can't do it with my. Oh my God! It is dripping everywhere. Hold on.
Oh my gosh.
1 second. It's going everywhere. Here, Ellie, hold this spoon. Daddy's gonna have to go in on this. Hold on.
One, two.
Hold on, we're going over here.
Oh.
Hold on, we're going over here, guys. Go for it, kiddo. Oh, it's just as I remembered it. I'll be right back. This is nothing bad.
I don't like the pop.
It has Pop Rocks on it.
I don't like pop rocks.
It's like popping in my mouth.
Hey,
This is so good. We'll be right back. I gotta eat this before it all drips away.
have it.
Hi, Piglet!
Ellie, you want sunglasses?
Our child has abandoned us for Drew's family. Look, it's Duckfoot! Newcastle, guys. It is super gold. And that's all made out of tile. Is anybody else noticing the side eye that Cinderella's got going on? No, that's me doing the Zen look up there up top.
And the famous, what is this one? No. Yes?
I think we are gonna go and hit up some Winnie the Pooh. The lines are ridiculous today. So we're gonna go do a little Winnie the Pooh because it's one of the shorter lines. And it sure looks like it's going to rain. And we don't wanna be in the rain. Just got an alert that Haunted Mansion is open. So we are booking it over to Haunted Mansion. We bailed on Pooh. I've bailed on Pooh before. Boom-cha! That was ridiculous. They're like, oh, Haunted Mansion's open. It's 10 minutes. And then we're like, oh, there's a lady with the sign. We'll follow her. And we ended up in freaking like Adventureland. Oh my God. This is the weirdest line I've ever seen. Look where we're going. We're going down by the water. Ooh, spooky. Look at mommy taking over the camera.
And no flash pictures, please. No flash pictures are rightly sensitive. Rightly sensitive. No flash pictures.
It's just pictures.
Oh yeah, the door knockers and the wallpaper.
Tale of a rat.
Madame Leota.
You can look if you want, Ellie, or if not, close your eyes.
Don't, but if you want to look, you can, okay?
It's really cool. It's like a hologram.
Send us a message from somewhere beyond.
Oh, here's the dancing, Ellie.
Okay, here's the dancing ghost, Ellie. Down there. Can you see him? They're over there. You'll see him. If you lean forward, you'll see him right here on the left one. They're dancing right there. And they're having a meal. And they're dancing.
Look how cool that is.
And there's ghosts on the chandelier. And then the pictures, they change. And they're dancing.
Hi, dancing ghosts.
Oh,
Oh, it's the bride.
there's a bride over here. And in hell.
Look, Ellie, it's a bride.
That's cool.
That is cool.
You may now kiss the bride.
Eh?
Playing music, a band. Whoa, hi. There's a dog.
Look, it's a doggy. Huh?
Mummies. More ghosts.
Oh, the little short one.
On our buggy.
They want to hitchhike. Say no. No riding.
No ride.
Oh look, we're gonna look like ghosts.
Ellie, we're gonna look like ghosts. Look.
There's a ghost in our buggy. Look. What's he doing in there? No, get off of here. Buddy's in the buggy with us.
The ghost got in our book.
He was in our buggy. Ellie Belly.
We'll count it later.
Ellie, how many stickers did you get?
I don't know.
I think you got more than 3. I think you got more than 3.
Yeah, definitely more than 3.
We finished the Haunted Mansion. Now we're heading into Memento Mori. Kiddo, not a fan. That is... If it was purple, it'd be even better.
And they still only have
$29.99.
the small sizes in
What'd you find?
right now.
Ooh, look at that wallet. Let me see that.
Oh, we're almost at 500 bucks.
Ghost Host. Loungefly. $20. That's pretty awesome. I saw people wearing that today. Oh,
I'm not sure.
I'm sure. I'm sure.
Yeah,
I'm sure.
Huh?
I'm sure about that.
That is pretty nice, dude.
Check it out. These are like the wallets in the outlet.
Oh, I fixed it. Jamie, I don't know how I fixed
How did you do it?
I don't know. I just.
$14.99. That's awesome. Drew, look at these hats. They glow in the dark.
That's nice too. What? Ghost. Oh, that's cool, dude. Just check this out.
We have a 1,000-piece puzzle. $24.95.
That's kind of cool.
That's pretty nice. Ooh, a 4-puzzle set. Let me see this one. $34.99 on that one. Oh my God, baby for Roxy.
Yes.
Baby for Roxy.
Oh, let's see that. I saw that.
Oh my God, that's amazing. Little kitchen towel. $20. Do you remember those from the outlets? I do. Those are really realistic fake candles. $54.99. That's pretty awesome. This is an annual pass holder exclusive. Dad got a snazzy new shirt. Yes, I did. I bought it. I couldn't resist. We are waiting for our food at Starlight Cafe, and we're gonna go watch a little sunny eclipse and have a meal. It's been a pretty good day, I think. Oh, the kiddo, not a fan of Haunted Mansion. I don't think we'll be getting her back on that again. Only part she liked was the silly dancing ghosts. Other than that, not so good.
Yes, thank you, Erica. I gotta charge my phone.
We just finished up a quick little lunch over at Starlight Cafe. Little sunny eclipse. And we're tired. The kiddo is not doing so well, and it looks like it's gonna rain. No trip to Magic Kingdom or any Disney park is done until you get some Disney popcorn. So the kiddo's really tired, so we're gonna kill it here. We're not gonna do any shopping. The wife's shopping, but we're not gonna film that. So that's it for this video. Be sure to like, subscribe, share, do all that kind of fun stuff. And Dad doesn't do outros. So that's it.
So why not check out one of these awesome videos? You could click to subscribe or go watch one of these. I think you'll have a good time. Or you won't, and you'll be mad at me, and you'll click the thumbs down. Maybe you'll do that. But I don't want that to happen, but it could happen. All right, guys, I'm gonna stop talking now. Bye.